In this video, I'm going to teach you how to disable MacBook Pro Touch Bar. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to disable the touch bar with a single click, then use the method in this video. With a specific tool, you will be able to get this done. So this tool is titled Hide My Bar. It does exactly what the name suggests. This macOS application will turn off the MacBook Touch Bar. You can find it available on this website, clamstation.com, so look for Hide My Bar. It will go away with a double tap or a double press of the command keys. So as soon as you press it twice, it will go away. You will also have this bar at the top of the screen, which allows you to change the brightness, keyboard brightness, volume, mute, and other options here. But the main appeal, like I said, is double tapping the command key or any other key on your keyboard to fully disable it. So all that you have to do is visit this website and download it from here. So click on the download page, run the executable, add it to your applications, and you will be good to go. Sadly, I cannot demonstrate this process because I am recording this on my Windows PC, but it's as simple as downloading it from clamstation.com. So you can look for it on Google or visit this website. If you need additional instructions, the FAQ has some questions here. So you will be able to use all of these tools to disable the bar altogether, and you will have some preferences to change them here. It's simple to use, sleek, and it is going to completely hide anything on the touch bar, allowing you to not get distracted if it is flickering or you press it by accident. So I hope I was able to help you. Something that I want to highlight is that 83% of the people are not subscribed to our channel according to the channel metrics. So if this video helped you, consider subscribing. Your subscription means a lot, and we will be able to make higher quality videos in the future if you subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.